Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to insert text into a shape in Affinity. I'll be using 3 different containers, some letters, a vector shape, and an image file. Let's get into it. For the first container, I'm gonna use some letters. So I'll grab the adhesive text tool and type bold. I'll change the font, scale them up, change the color, I'll change it to white, set the text alignment to center, and move them to the center. Now I'm gonna switch to the Move tool, then right-click on the text and select Convert to Curves. Then I'll go to the Boolean operations and click Add. So they're basically shapes now. Next, I'm gonna paste some text inside them. You can use any text you like. I'll grab the Frame Text tool. Then I'll make sure the text is selected. When I hover the cursor over the shape, you'll see it change to a polygon. I'll click at the top left, right here, and press Ctrl V to paste the text. And the text is going to span from the first letter, which is now a shape, all the way to the fourth letter. I want the text to fit nicely on the right edges, so I'll click on it, press Ctrl A to select all the text, then go to Text Alignment and click Justify Center. If the text overflows and I don't want to remove it, but would like to hide it, I can click this small red eye icon to hide it. Or I can go to the Context toolbar and click the text frame icon. A panel will pop up and I can click Hide Overflow. And now it's hidden. There are also some other settings here. I can change the fill color, the stroke color, the stroke width, and plenty more that you can explore. I can also click the A icon on the context toolbar to bring up the character panel and make some more adjustments. Just play around until you get the look you want. Alright, now let's move on to the second container, the vector shape. Let me delete this first. Now I'll go to the Shape tool and select the donut. I'll draw it and move it to the center. Let me change the color so we can see it better. Now I'll grab the Frame Text tool, hover over the shape until the polygon cursor appears, and press Ctrl V to paste the text. From here I can adjust the settings however I like. So it's pretty much the same as with the letters. Let's move on to the third one. So I've got a PNG image file here with a transparent background. And just like the letters and the shape, I want to fill it with text. So the first thing I need to do is press Ctrl and click the image layer to make a selection. Then I remove the image layer, go to Vector in the top menu, and click Convert to Curves. And now I've got a vector shape. I can grab the Frame Text tool, paste the text inside, and adjust it just like we did with the others. And there you have it. I hope you learned something useful today. If you did, a thumbs up would mean a lot. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.